On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. But a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
Good morning, everybody. What is going on? Alexo Crypto here. My God. Apparently, a lot of people got wrecked yesterday. Now, it's always a privilege to do YouTube, to go on here and expose yourself. And yesterday, yes, we did get long and we did get stopped out. But a lot of people didn't use their stop losses, okay? Or a lot of people got long and they didn't manage their risk. And that's what upsets me. I think at the end of the day, it's like, I don't want to get people hurt. Money is important to some people and they shouldn't be trading. There's a whole bunch of that stuff. On a happier note, hopefully we can teach you how to manage your damn risk. I am a dad now, so I'm allowed to say that. I'm allowed to get upset with you, even though I still look 12. You should see once we get to 10,000 subscribers, maybe we shave the beard, we can be -5. But at this rate, we might hit 5,000 today, tomorrow. Pretty cool, eh? What's going on, Otter gang? I see you guys in the chat. Mad love to every single one of you. My God, okay. You guys upset me yesterday. Now, be honest. You think J Powell was evil because J Powell rugged everybody. So you got wrecked. That's why you're angry at him. 34%. Yeah, switch that. 35% got wrecked. Let's keep it going. Come on. Let's get the honesty is coming out. Remember, days like that, the best thing to do is not trade. We got long off here off a swing failure pattern, and it came down. I lost $500 yesterday. Then it came down again, and it bounced, and I made $600 yesterday. This is why we manage risk. You should always have predetermined risk when you enter a trade. If we lose this level, then I'm wrong. And it's okay to be wrong. You only got to be right 60, 70% of the time if you manage your risk and if you have a good risk to reward ratio. We managed along here. I managed along here. I also managed along here. And I closed this here, man. I'm still upset about this. Okay, so after a loss yesterday, I was able to recoup my loss very easily using good risk management and strategy. Now, I do wish, we have this key level here in our Discord, and we came down and we touched it. The pink level is the most important level. Okay, if you are part of our Discord membership. And just to be ho holly, I have lowered the prices for the holidays again. Okay? I have lowered the prices. $1 a day, baby. Okay? $1 a day for the Discord. I don't want the cost to entry for someone to learn to be too high. And I thought to myself the other day, I'm like, you know what? I don't need to charge much. I make good money off of trading. So I've lowered the prices, okay? So those who got in at the higher prices, you can renew it and all that good stuff. Now make sure you guys are saying good morning. I would love to say good morning to you. I see you. Be the Panda was first. Good morning to you. Mad love to you, my friend. Let's turn this to live chat and let's say good morning to every single one of you guys. And thank you for your honesty about, possibly getting wrecked. But good morning to every single one of you. Otter gang. Mad love to you guys. Looks like we got a little bit of double toppy action here. Overextended. Okay, lots of liquidity down below here. I got long down here yesterday. I have receipts. Okay, I have receipts. And guess what? I'm upset about it. A short-term memory is sometimes the best thing you can have in trading. Okay, little double top up here. This is a golden pocket up in here, and we haven't fully hit it yet, but we are trying to ramp up here. We do have a lot of liquidity that has been created overnight that we are well aware of. Okay, so when you do this is typically a big-ass order block in here. Okay, and then you got liquidity coming up, and then you got a double top. What do you think is going to happen? Okay, back down to view up. We'll see what we get, if we can possibly get long today, but it's today, maybe we're just going to take, maybe my job, and maybe you guys will like unsubscribe and leave, but maybe I just take losses today. I was thinking that. Maybe I just take losses today and show you how to manage your risk. That's just it. And I could show you, you could open up a trade in both directions. Now, I'm sure there's some YouTubers out there who do that, who trade live. Just open up two positions and then just show you the winning one. We're not those people. We're traders helping traders. We do this for a living, so hopefully we can help you do this for a living. That's the end goal, right? Free up time for you to spend with your family and all that good stuff, That's what we're here for. Make sure you guys are saying good morning and subscribing if you are new. We got 120 of you in here. Okay, looking for the trade today. We are not going to try and lose. Okay, I promise you that. We're winner chicken dinners over here. Clay the Gray, what's going on? Jacob, what's going on? Good morning from the Blue Ridge Mountains of Tennessee, West Virginia. Blue Ridge Mountains, rolling like a river, dark and dusty. Oh, don't get me on my country road songs, man. Thierry, what's going on? The Swiss cheese ready to take along. Let's go. Forget about it. Let's get after it relentlessly. Jeffrey Stone, Cypher, what's going on? Vignes, good morning to you. Tony Soprano, he got knighted yesterday. Tony, was it your fault? Did you dump the market? Good morning to you, man. Luke Saldana, good morning to you. Hope everyone has a blessed and prosperous day. Let's go, Luke. Mad love to you, man. Lot more crypto. Let's get after Otter like no Otter mo. Anyways, good morning, Al Jr. What's going on, Rashad? Tony Soprano, Kaylin Quick. Good morning, all. Golden Wolf. Good morning, Jay Violet. Nick, hello, everyone. I'm looking forward to a great stream. Thank you for your question. Nick asked, even in our Discord, we try to be attentive. Nick did ask, what was why did you get long off of that yesterday, right? Why did you tell us about your confirmations on the second trade, yesterday's FOMC that you won? And so we had a green box, came down, held support, right? Took the long initial scalp entry back up to the order block, got out there, made my quick money back. Even though we dropped and we took a loss, okay, I was able to identify, hey, we've bounced here, we've held support, taking the long, making the money right back, easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? So really talking about the ideas, how we get there, an amazing, amazing community, and just working together, trying to solve this market, which isn't an easy task sometimes. Okay, so thank you for your question this morning. Glad to answer that. Jay Violet, Jesse, good luck. Finn, good morning. Buck, good morning, gang. Only 60 subscribers to 5K. Let's go, gang, 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 gang. You guys really like this gang emoji. I'm glad I made it orange. Orange is my favorite color. So mad love to you. Zena with the hand. Zena always with the hand. Maybe we can get a hand and good morning on a Friday tomorrow. Maybe. Good morning to you, Zena. Peter Gideon, good morning. Mark is in the chat. What's going on, my Dutchman? Hopefully you're doing well. Goldie Crypto, Jeremy Montelius, yo. Retro Mike Tech, what's going on, man? It's so early. Yes, it is. Early bird catching the worm. Good day, Alex. Was scared today to wake up and see what my BTC was. Well, so even last night, like I was just hanging out with some friends, playing. I was actually relaxing, watching the hockey game, playing video games at the same time, and trading. So I was multitasking, and I saw the dip into the level here. I got long here, and then I closed it out early to go to bed. And I'm like, shh. I looked this morning. I'm like, shit. But whatever. Profit is profit, right? Profit is profit. What's going on? Glad you made it. Mark, yeah, don't forget to hit the notification bell when you subscribe to the channel. We'd love to reach 5K subs by the end of this year. That is the goal. I said 5K by January. Can we get there? I mean, we're 60 away. Hopefully we can. That would be really, that would mean a lot to me. If you guys are new, would you subscribe, please? And thank you. Site Hansraj, good morning to you. Gang. Poor Crypto Steve, good morning to you. Retro Mike Tech, J Violet. Mad love to all of you guys. Thank you guys for being here. TRE, I call getting wrecked, losing, hitting my stop loss. Guess didn't get as wrecked as some people in here. I'm still trading today. See, we live to trade another day. That is the key. Good morning, Anonymous. Joan, good morning to you. Hopefully you're doing well. Buck and Huck. Look at that. Buck and Huck. Together we can. Okay. Switch to live chat. We did, Mark. We did. We're trying to stay on it. 20-hour almost killed me, Alex. Good morning, BC Port Corp. Mad love to you. Swiss cheese is ready to long. Gang. So we've revisited highs in here. Okay, we want to take it easy today. We don't want to get overly now we're revisiting lows over here, right? So typically when looking at short-term time frames, right, you have your highs, you have your lows, okay? So there's always balance in the force, right? So you come down, you retest the highs, now you've retested the lows, but you've broken structure to the downside and you have liquidity below you. So to me, this is more probable right now, just understanding price action and where it wants to go. Now, we do have a big, this is still a higher low. So if we are looking on like a bigger time frame, this is still a higher low, okay? However, if we do mitigate this low, meaning coming down below it, right, mitigating it, and then returning, we could look for lower price action back into VWAP. We have a big order block in here, a support level, a key support level here, and we the good thing in my opinion is that we have come down below 100K and bounced. So we'll see what happens. Maybe Larry Fink was just trying to get his buddies some sub 100K Bitcoin. We'll see how it goes. But right now, it's about patience. We'll wait for this thing here. We'll see. This is a lot of liquidity. Chopzilla all the way up here. The sweep down below here. Okay, so a lot of things to pay attention to today, and we'll see how that goes. Okay, so be careful here, and we'll take our time. We'll try to identify key areas and try to take advantage of price action today. And go Canucks! I mean, the Leafs won yesterday. Alex, everyone is responsible for their own trades. We're all old enough. Yeah. Hopefully. I mean, I can't it upsets me. Come on here and then like say I'm looking for a long and then I get stopped out. And like I manage my risk. I don't even risk 1% of my whole trading account, right? I risk like $300 to $500 per trade, which is 0.5% of my trading account, right? So I just hate people like over leveraging and ruining their savings and shit like that. It just upsets me. J Powell is a biatch who doesn't want to answer the real question of Gene gained $0 and lost $0. Took a small loss, says Huck. Good morning, Sibel. Good morning, Jesse. Oh, man. Billy with the $5 super chat. What did he say? Piece of my FOMC short profit, paying it forward. Love you, bro. God bless you, Billy, man. Thank you for the amazing super chat, man. Crypto Billy in the chat. Let's see some CBs and make sure you guys are following Crypto Billy. Billy Goat Tails, my man. I love you, bro. I love you, man. Thank you for being here. Getting up so early and coming and saying hello. Mad love to you, man. Mad love to you. Had to say hi from All Set, Alex O. Crypto, says Mark Dutch. Site Hansraj. Good morning to you. Huck and Buck. Good morning to you. Be the Panda. Thierry says go Canucks. Poor Crypto Steve. Had an alarm at 99. Slept through it all but got in at 100,200. Still riding it. Let's go, Steve. Awesome. Sibel, mad love to you. Good morning, French Toaster, the bravest toaster of them all. Jesse Galuk, Jamie Martin, good morning to you. Isa, good morning. Tim Young, good morning to you. Appreciate all you do. Thank you, Tim. Mad love to you. Good afternoon, says Tony Soprano. Good morning, bro. Alan Cola, good morning to you, man. Crypto Ben, good morning. Jesse, Mark Duche, good morning to you, my friend. Hopefully you're doing well. Retro Mike Tech, lost Thursday. Let's go. Tony Soprano, French Toaster, Jesse Golok, Randy L. Gallo, Paul Caruso, Metal Mag, Guten Morgen, Morgan, the Krakenwagen. My favorite definitely German word is the Krakenwagen, which is an ambulance. But the Krakenwagen, that is in the Kraken house, is that the hospital? But the Krakenwagen, that is an ambulance. It's my favorite. I think Tony Soprano speaks a bit of German. Tony, is it the Krakenwagen? Is that how I say it? Do I got to say it like this? The real question is, how does Alex O Crypto cook ribs? Not as good as anybody from Tennessee. Okay, BC Port Corp. Mad love to you guys. Jacob Dorton. Bro, is it good for a long today? We'll wait. We always find something, my man. So we'll see. We've been pretty successful. We're 1 for 2. We didn't take a trade on Tuesday. 1, 2. So we're 2 for 3 today, this week. We were 4 for 4 last week. We were 4 for 5 the week before. And we were 4 for 4 the week before that. So we've been crushing it. We typically are looking for a 1% move. This is how I typically trade. Okay, so I'm typically looking for a 1% move with a 0.3 to 0.4% stop loss, okay? So looking for that 1%, okay? With a 0.3% stop loss, and I'm looking to grab this every single day. Every single day. Risking about 300 to make 900 every single day. And we're just here kicking ass, taking names. And we've been doing it pretty successfully. I mean, we've been full-time trading since August last year. And full-time, I guess, YouTube, I guess you would say. YouTube doesn't pay me diddly squat. We've just been full-time trading. Which, if a carpenter like me can figure it out over a couple years, you can too. What's going on, French Toaster, Jesse, Tony Soprano? Not the ribs again. Oh, God. Otter Gang will be rich. Yes. We will continue to show up. Gang, gang, gang. Mad love to you guys. Look at all the gang in here, man. Mad love. Doug, good morning. Trent, good morning to you. Good morning, gang, gang. Alex and his friends thought he was in crypto. You got a piece. You got your piece, Alex. So that's it, man. That's it, man. Thank you so much, Billy. Ask not what Alex O can do for you. Ask what you can do for Alex O. My God. I can't wait to meet you, Billy. I love you, bro. And you can meet my wife and my kid and buy you a beer or whatever you want, man. Buy you some. He probably just wants Bitcoin. Stack them Bitcoins. Peter Gideon, what's going on? He's long. Chart is giving me inverse head and shoulder vibes. Okay. I am very cool, believe it or not, says Mark Douche. Very cool. Thank you for being here, Mark Douche. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you sharing the channel out to everyone in crypto I know. Thank you, man. Thank you. Shepard, good morning to you. H-bar pumping. Let's go, Habar. I love a Habar. Billy, good morning. I'm a chat room moderator, so things are really good. Really good. Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. Holy Bitcoin. I see Bitcoin in the chat. My God, I cannot keep up with you guys, man. I'm just trying to say good morning to everybody, you know? The world defined. Good morning to you, gang, 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 gang. Good morning, Sean. Good to see you. Dread Mining, good morning. Only over leverage because I'm poor. Okay, well, if you look at a compounding chart of $1,000 account, compounding, okay, you can get, I mean, we have people, a teacher in our Discord named Kyle, okay, and he's an amazing trader. He has his own channel. Okay. Bitcoin head and shoulders, yada, yada, yada. Okay. He gave a great signal, great ideas, amazing trader. He turned $26 into 2 point something million. Okay. So by compounding and using good risk management, okay, shows you if you use good risk management, you compound your account, you too can be just like Kyle. Good morning, Ronnie. What's going on, my brother? Good to see you. I like to set my stop loss below the 30-minute candle. Okay, we'll see how that goes. Das, good morning to you. Crypto Birdie, good morning. Dario, what's going on? Good morning to you. Jake Fagan got wrecked. Whales going to play their games. Yeah. See, the thing is we try to participate. You got to participate. You get your participation medal, and you take what the market gives you, right? This is why this part of your trade is the most important, that stop loss. You need to identify how much risk to reward you're looking to make and what you're trying to get out of the market. This could be a breakdown retest of this lower trend in here. See breakdown, retest, continuation, okay? As we're speaking here. Retest of this uptrend here, you see? Continuation down, we'll see. If we lose this low, this is the thing right now, is that this low right here is the most important. We'll see if we do mitigate this low and come down lower. This is where I'm looking right now for VWAP to come back into this general area right here. Have a key level of support at 101. Okay, we'll see what we get this morning. Okay. Mad love to every single one of you. Make sure you guys are saying good morning. We're well on our way to 5,000 subscribers. Okay, we are at 4,949 subscribers. My God, incredible. Incredible. We got almost 200 people in here. Probably some people just are like, yeah, I'm not subscribing to this guy. He's way too crazy. He's wearing a Tool hoodie. Well, it's Jesse. Good morning. Gastlid. Good morning to you. The Dusty Hunt. Good morning. Good to see you. OG Blockchain. Good morning. Good to see you, man. Hopefully you're doing well. Nicholas Thierry. Cup and Handle. Morning by the was smashed. Smash. J Powell. Thierry. Wonder Bar. Good morning to you. Fear and Greed Index is healthy now. Yeah, it was up to 86, I believe. The Fear and Greed. But it's kind of, Fear and Greed's a bit lagging. Yeah, it's 75 now, which is great. Gives us some room to the upside. If we look over here, you go /FG in our Discord, you get the Fear and Greed up to 75. It was 86 yesterday. And then we got our dad joke. What's brown and sticky? A stick. A stick. What's brown and sticky? It's a stick for all you dirty-minded people. It was so cold yesterday, my computer froze. My own fault, though. I left too many windows open. Razorbacks suck. Okay. Hi there. What's going on? Stoic selfie. 150K before 76K, or the contrary. I would say 120, 130 before 76. We'll see. We'll see. Krakenwagen. Yes, this is the way. Best German word is Schwitzkasten. What? Schwitzkasten. I don't even know. You're making me swear on YouTube. Billion sub with one will come first. Let's go. The Krakenwagen is in the house, and Krakenhaus is the hospital. Let's go. Love from Sri Lanka. Vanakkam. I think it's Vanakkam is how you say hello in Sri Lankan. I had a Sri Lankan friend growing up. The longest names in the world, man. Shivanujan Chandrakumar. That was his name. It was a great guy, man. Great guy. Good friend back in middle school. Shivanujan Chandrakumar. 3 minute pushing up here, making a higher low, trying to break out here. Okay. Sorry. Attention. Pay attention. We got volume coming in. Can you see the volume? I can see the volume. You see that? You guys got to pay attention, man. I saw the volume. Did you see the volume? Put a 1 in the chat if you've seen the volume coming in. Man, I want to get long here now. Higher low, continuation. Up to the golden pocket. Quick little scalp in the morning. What do we got here? Anchor trigger wave, 3 minute, 5 minute, 12 minute, 12 minute trigger wave, 15. So same thing, 15, trying to come up here. Money flow good. 1 hour, Jesus take the wheel pattern. Okay, careful with this. This is a Jesus take the wheel pattern. You got Jesus here with his holy hands. And then the trigger wave down. This typically dumps on people's heads. Jesus take the wheel pattern. I'm not kidding. This is a Jesus take the wheel pattern on the 1 hour. Okay, careful. Everybody's like, that's not what the F is Crypto Face calls it Jesus take the wheel. Don't fight with the guy who made the indicator. What he calls it is what it is. Volume coming in here, trying to buy up the price here. So, Krakenwagen, no trade. We wait, no trade yet. We keep our eyes peeled though. You see that? We're ready. We're ready to fire off the trade. If it, we don't want to go to the Kraken house, so we're not going to take the trade today. Oh, we're gonna wait. Good morning, bro. Trudeau out. Yeah, we're all praying for our new prime minister here in Canada. You know, they blew the deficit. People are quitting. Not a pretty situation here in Canada for our parliament. IKO, good morning to you. The world defined Tennessee here. We got the best barbecue. So we have a barbecue place here that is from Tennessee. And they make like Tennessee style ribs and burgers and all that. And it's called Memphis barbecue. It's actually really, really good. They have it here in the greater Toronto area. Sorry, Dusty's profile pic triggered me. Krakenwagen isn't an ambulance. What is it then? It's gotta be an ambulance. Don't mess with my German, man. Ambulance in German. Bro. Ambulance in German.
Krankenwagen. Krankenwagen. Krankenwagen.
Okay. We should have got long. Oh my God, Alex Crypto, we should have got long. We're going to regret this. Do you smell the regret going through the screen? Do you smell it? I think you guys can smell regret. Kraken, I don't even want to know. You guys are. I love Sri Lankan people. Let's go. Definitely Mark. Crank is sick. Okay, that's cool. Apparently, Alex though needs to touch up on his German. Sorry about my English. Jesus was a carpenter. Just saying. Oh, that's it. That's it. Oh man, Jesus is a carpenter. Yes. Oh man. Bitcoin. Jesus is a carpenter. A very noble trade. Good morning, Jay Violet. Good morning, Michael. Good morning, IKO. What's going on? Good to see you guys. Holy smokes. I got to catch up with this chat, man. You guys are so fast in here. No, Rashad. What's up, gang? Doggy dog. What's going on? Good morning to you, Mark Duche. Doggy dog. Mickey, good morning. Look for the bounce in short again. Looked at how traded those eyeballs. Ha ha ha. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Jay Violet, Dread Mining, Despair. Good morning to every single one of you guys. Hopefully, you guys are all having a wonderful day. Make sure you guys are liking and subscribing to the channel. We're live Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. every single week, helping you guys trade this market, scalping the short-term time frames. Hopefully, you guys are having a wonderful day. I think Kyle traded it up to 4 mil. Yeah, he definitely did. He definitely did. Good night from India. Good night to you, man. Be a Kyle, don't be a Mark. Good morning, my dude. Joe Bell, mad love to you. Enough douche for me. Subscribe. Yeah, you're going to get... Don't mess with Tony Soprano. He's the newest mod, and he just looking to abuse his powers. He's just looking to abuse his powers, and he's more than welcome to do so, Tony. Kale, YouTube. Yeah, Kyle Chismore. He's got a YouTube. Invest to share. Look it up. Gabriel, you are nice. Thank you. You're kind for saying that, and I appreciate your kindness, man. Be kind and don't be a douche canoe is the only rule we have here. It's the only. This is why we didn't take the trade here, friends. Do you see why? Do you see why now? Okay. We got volume coming in, though. Interesting. H-Bar stopped me out. Dread Mining, good morning to you. Crypto Billy, Merry Christmas, everyone, and Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas, Billy. You know we love you, man. Thank you for being here, bro. We like to hear some... Altcoins are doing shit right now, yeah? Wanna come is Tamil. Yes. See? See, I'm trying my best, man. I'm trying my best. For a little white guy in Canada, I'm doing my best, man. Ludwig, wanna be next? Uh-oh. Tony Soprano's got the guillotine out this morning. He's feeding people to the pigs. There's that retest back in here. Ooh. Strength. I see strength in the move. It's a battle here. You want to battle? You want a battle? We did just get some news. I mean, GDP growth rate quarter over quarter, okay? We did just get the news, okay? 3.1% coming in above forecast. Okay, so this is the U.S. economy expanded its annualized 3.1% third quarter, higher than 2.8 in second estimate, above 3% in Q2 is the biggest growth rate so far this year, reflecting upwards revision to exports and consumer spending that were partly offset by a downwards revision to private inventory investment. So we are going up, which is good. Good news. Doesn't mean we're going to keep pushing. Thank you for reminding me about the news coming out this morning. We can look over at the Dixie. The Dixie continues to rip to the upside, making my Canadian dollar extremely weak. Okay, we got the NASDAQ dumping. Now trying to push back here. Trying to push back. Will it push back? We'll have to wait and find out, won't we? The S&P dumping. Big old dumperelli. Will it push back today? We'll have to see. We can see that Bitcoin has bounced. Bitcoin 24/7 has bounced. However, we want to be very cautious here, okay? When they send it down, they send it down. Okay, so understanding this, that we have just basically, if we're looking at this objectively, we can see that we have simply come to the bottom of the trend, right? If we put it on the simple trend line here, we have come to the bottom of the trend. We're holding that $100,000 level. Okay, right in here, nice and beautiful, 100K. We are holding that. We have retested that. We are continuing to push higher highs, higher lows, all the way up here, still making a higher low. Okay, so looking for continuation. Will this be the low of the month? We'll have to wait and find out. We have our December low coming in all the way down here. So typically we're looking for continuation. We have been up only for the last 8 days. 15% up, 6% down. Whoop-de-doo. Let's continue. Okay, we'll see if we do get that continuation that we so desire. Okay, we'll see. We don't need to be too fearful, you know. We'll be greedy when others are fearful. Fire him, Frenchie. Good morning. Merry Christmas. We're still at 2024, brother. Ted Nugent's boy. Jesse Gluck. Alan. Good morning. Ayu Boywin is welcome in Sinhala. Thank you. Ayu Boywin. Dutchy, for real. Ismail. Good morning. Are options allowed here or not? Opinions? Opinions are always allowed here, but the rules are be kind and don't be a douche canoe. Be kind and don't be a douche canoe. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Thank you guys so much for being here. Golden Wolf, good morning to you. Yes, you are ridiculous. Sup, dogs? What's going on, Deck? Mickey, what's going on? Imagine waking up early for 90 minutes of mad love. That would be a dream come true, D.I. A dream come true. Kraken House. It is Kraken House. Coming down for this low here. Pushing down. You see why we didn't get long, right? You see why we didn't get long. A lot of liquidity in this move up here. So I don't know if we're going to come down into this area right now, but we are looking down here. We do have a key level of support within this area. We'll see how it reacts. Big order block in here as well, where price chopped and then it started to go up. Okay, so you can see the liquidity created within this area here. Okay, so I wouldn't be surprised if we come back and reclaim some of this. We'll have to wait and see. Okay. Massey, good morning. Abdel, good morning to you. Dread Mining, good morning to you as well. Hopefully you're doing well. Wild Deuces, good morning. Clay the Great, good to see you, man. Tamale, good morning, man. It is ambulance. See, everybody. See, my German is on point, right? Forced to please you, though. Good morning to you, DI. Chantel, good morning on a chilly Thursday. Yeah, it is. In Canada, it's quite chilly. We're hitting about 0 degrees. Most days recently. We got snow like a couple weeks ago, and then it's all melted. So rain yesterday. Good morning to you guys. Shepard, good morning. Chantel, good morning. Good to see you. Retro Mike Tech in the chat. What's going on? Good to see you guys. You guys keep moving this chat too quickly. TV, good morning to you. Bearfag forming. Nice bounce coming in here. Nice bounce coming in here. Holding that low. Remember, holding this low. Nice bounce. No, I don't like it. I don't like it yet. This still looks like it needs to come lower. No trade yet. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Subscribing if you are new. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Lasers, another day, another crypto. Dragos, good morning. Good to see you. The S Spare bounced strong on 5-minute 200 EMA is going up, in my opinion. Okay. Don't panic. Still above the EMA. Okay, we'll see if we get that EMA. RS Miller in the chat. What's going on, brother? Good to see you as well. Mad love to RS Miller and the Border Collies, man. BOJ cuts. Okay. Melissa, good morning to you. French Toaster, good morning. MA, good morning. Golden Wolf, good morning. Board PC guy. Tony Soprano, now speaking German. Okay. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Make sure you guys are saying good morning. Drew, good morning. We're almost at the bottom. Jesse, the spare lasers. Did you short the top? No, we did not short the top. This chat is getting to Crowclet. Good morning, Sir Alex. Oh, John, good morning. There we go. We made it. Holy smokes. This channel cannot afford to get any bigger. So, let's get to 5,000 subs and stop. Okay. Good morning, Jay Becker. We're at 4,949. If you are new here, subscribe. We are live Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Coming for that low right now as we speak. Okay, breaking down here. Bitcoin breaking down now. And looking for a potential bounce. Well, we get it. Mitigating this low in here. Trying to push down. Going over the top-down analysis quickly for you guys this morning of what we have and what has happened, okay? Just understanding that, hey, right now, cautious, a big dump yesterday. Thank you to Mr. Chair Powell, okay? Continuing to make higher highs with lower lows here. Okay, so we do have bearish divergence across the board. Can play out, okay? Doesn't mean that we're necessarily going down right now. Just be cautious that we are looking for a bounce and continuation holding this $100,000 level. Money is starting to round. Hopefully we get a bounce up. VWAP trying to point back upwards, okay? So it doesn't look too bad. VWAP hanging out here and looking for that curve back upwards. The 12-hour, to me, looks like there's a bit of hopium here. Okay, with the VWAP creeping up here, we can look for the rounding of the momentum wave. Doesn't mean it's going to happen today. This would probably come either tomorrow or the next day if we do get, a nice bounce and continuation out of here. And we seem to be holding this uptrend quite nicely. Okay, but remember, this does occur. Okay, and this here is very small in comparison to this. Okay, this was about 15. What was this? 15%, 12%, and what have we done here? 8%. Okay, so this can still come lower, is what I'm trying to say. To be prepared for that as well, okay? Let's not just say, oh, man, we could have bought the bottom here. And if you were in our Discord, we did have that key level given to you in advance as usual, okay? And I was able to long it yesterday. I got out early. But if you do want to take your trading further, $1 a day keeps the liquidations away. I don't know what to say. But we do have 4 amazing traders in our Discord, signals by all of us, coaching calls, support channels, resources, a great community of people, kindness, and don't be a douche canoe. That's what it's all about, okay? An amazing group of people here helping you guys become profitable traders. We'd love for you to come over and join the Discord. Join the free section if you just want to come out and hang out. We'd love to have you as well, okay? Going over here. So the 12 hours trying to push up here. Now, interestingly enough, this is dumping, eh? Let's go. Rolling over, baby. Going into our 4 hours. So we use our 4, our 3, our 2, our 1 to kind of predict our day, right? So we can expect, 3 4-hour candles for today. So are we going to get something like this maybe today? Quite possibly. Okay, where we're looking for, some sweep in here. And then a bounce. We'll see if we get that. But the green dot on the 4 hour with the VWAP crossover looks okay. We would like a trigger wave in here, something like that. That would be more ideal. So that's kind of what I'm looking for here. If we do come up here and we get something like that, that would be more ideal. So a little bit of patience here, even though we got a confirmed green dot on the 4 hour. That's just this push up recently. Okay, we've had these 3 white soldiers on the 4 hour trying to push price up. And what typically happens after 3 white soldiers, okay, when you get 3 bullish candles, you typically get a little bit of consolidation before the actual move, okay? You typically get something like that before the 3 white soldiers plays out, right? You can type it in. 3 white soldiers pattern, okay? And you look here, right? And pull it up. And you see here, you get your 3 white soldiers. Here's a good example. 3 white soldiers, consolidation, big push up. Okay, you see that there? Okay, there's an example. Signs of strength, signs of strength, signs of strength, okay? Put 3 white soldiers, consolidation, push up, okay? Bing, 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 okay? So that's a good sign of strength, and we'll see if it does want to continue to push up, okay? It doesn't mean it's going to go directly up from here, it just means that there is strength in this bounce, okay? Looking at our 3. VWAP crossing to the downside. 2, VWAP crossing to the downside. Okay, so we have, lower lows, lower lows. So we're looking for that inverse head and shoulders to push us back up. Okay, this needs to reset before this continues here. Okay, watching the VWAP, looking for a little cool off and a bounce, maybe off the 0 line or under and over again on our VWAP. Okay, but right now a lot of liquidity created within this area here means that we should get a nice little retracement and look for that continuation into Friday, okay? We're looking for the bounce today, but maybe the bounce doesn't come till later, and then we could double bottom, could hit off our golden pocket. We need to be prepared for whatever. That's why we have our key areas and our key levels that we're ready to trade. Golden pocket, order block, yada, 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 okay? Coming into some resistance now as well, so we have hit our Fibonacci golden pocket area currently. So we are rejecting off of that. We didn't actually come all the way into it. So there's still move to the upside. We could come back in here a little bit higher and retest these lows within here. Okay, that's very, very optional. We'll see if we do get that. There is definitely some liquidity up in here from people getting short late on the dump, right? Short, 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 short. Coming back, grabbing most of them, but there's still liquidity up in these highs up here. Okay, so we watch for that and we see what price action will give us and just be patient to let price materialize and give us the best probable setup, right? Like getting long here, you're going to have a very, very cheap stop loss, right? You're not obviously putting it underneath your low and looking for a swing trade right here, unless you're trading for like 120,000 into Valhalla, right? The risk to reward up at the highs here is not that great. That's why we want to protect our risk at all costs, okay? Going into the 1 hour, we can also see that we are getting that Jesus take the wheel, okay? So you get the lump, the trigger, the lump, okay? Big anchor, right? There's Jesus, right? And then you get the trigger wave downwards, which is typically bearish, which is what we're getting right now with the VWAP crossover as well with red money flow. So this is bearish, okay? It doesn't mean it's going to go all the way to literal hell. It just means that it is probably going to bounce. Then you're going to get some sort of hidden bullish divergence in here and the continuation out, okay? But right now, this is caution, 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 caution. Okay, so that's kind of the idea right now this morning. We do have our key areas that we're looking to trade. Okay, we are into resistance here. We have the highs up in here. We have the low highs up in here at the top of this. We also have our golden pocket bounce area and 786 that we are looking at. Okay, right in here. We also have a 382 order block within here. And then we have our lows that we called from weeks ago that we were saying if we are to come down, this would be our key area of where we're looking for the bounce. And we've been saying this for since back in here. Okay, we've been saying this area is interesting since back in here. We made it pink. We told you pink levels are the most important. Okay. Now, most important going on our way up here is going to be this level. You can see the pink level as well. So it's a total fib retracement of the entire range here that we are looking for a potential rejection on alongside with a lot of liquidity and a lot of volume. Okay, volume coming in at this area as well. If we look here, we have a big spike of volume that's going to act as resistance as well. So we have our key areas. We mark these out every morning and share them with you in our Discord just so that you can trade alongside us and hopefully take advantage of price action, okay? Right now we wait. Trading is waiting. A little bit of a retracement. We'll see if it does play out to the downside. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Let's jump into it and continue to say good morning to everybody. there's your little rundown of what we think is going to happen and how we plan to trade around it, okay? Thank you. Lunar Beaches Crypto, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Mad love to you. CG Beats, I got dry with no Vaseline yesterday. Yee. Wix Wife, fine, 89. Let's go. Good to see you. Good morning, Jamar. Horatio, good morning to you. I'm a douche canoe. I'm a douche canoe. I'm a douche canoe. Who's this guy? Man, this guy deserves an award. That's the most creative. Good morning to you. I'm a douche canoe. Moving average. Alan, good morning to you. Good to see you. Gains for Life. Randy El Gallo, board PC guy. Good morning to you guys. Thank you guys for being here. John J. Becker Lasers. Matthias, good morning from Germany. The Krakenwagen is in the house. Good morning, Adrian. Lunar Beaches, good to see you, my man. French Toaster, Most Wanted. Hi, crypto lovers, good to see you as well. Mad love to you guys. Thank you guys for being here. $1 a day punches Jay Powell in prison purse. Diaz, good morning. Looking to make it a great day. Good morning to you. Good to see you, Jesse, the spare. Mad love to you guys. Wix Fife. CG Beats. Good morning. Why can't it be three amigos? Oh, man. Crypto Billy, still in the chat, man. Crushing it. Thank you for being here, Billy. Mad love to you, brother. Wix Wife, Mark Dutch, Jesse Galuck, all you guys. Thank you guys so much for being here consistently. I do appreciate it. I heard someone once, never short the bull market. Thoughts? Well, we were talking about this yesterday. Shorting in a bull market is optional. Never short all-time highs is definitely on the key. But with structure comes, understanding, right? So understanding this, that we were moving up here unsustainably since December 10th, okay, all the way up here. And this is creating a lot of liquidity, longs. And the market's going to balance the force, right? So it doesn't typically give you good signs in a bull market, which is hard, right? You got triple top up in here. You don't have a mitigation of a low until here, really. And then you have an inverse head and shoulders right in here. 1, 2, 3. Or a head and shoulders, sorry. So you have the head and shoulders. You have, we didn't see this yesterday. Hindsight's 2020, right? And you can see, no real sign of, this rollover here might have been your idea to get short here, but just a higher low looking for continuation, right? So it's hard to justify getting short, and we have shorted. We took a short when was a couple weeks ago, but it was something like this where we broke structure, retested, and got short. Okay, very much you got to be able to protect your risk. You got to wait for clear signs. So if we're moving up here in an uptrend, right, and then we break structure, so we mitigate this low in here, and then we retest, and you have confirmations on your oscillator. So something like where you have a nice trend line in here, you break that, you break the low, and then you're looking to get short here where you can protect your risk above that high here, and you can target the low of the range, then that's justified, right? Especially like if you got bear divs up here, right, and you got momentum like money flow coming out, then any sort of structure like this that breaks structure here, okay, you got to break a structure, you got to retest back in. That's a justifiable short, protecting your risk above. That's always a great trade, in my opinion. It's just you have to make sure that you're protecting your risk. Maybe you don't want to put as much size on, right? Because you're going against the trend. I think trading with the trend is always going to increase your probabilities, probably 5%. So you always want to kind of ride the trend, right? Or trade the range, right? When we're range bound, shorts are very, very much easier to do, right? When we go back and look at previous price action, right? We are definitely in an uptrend right now. There's no denying that. We are uptrending, right? But when we were range bound within here for 7 months, right? Shorts made sense because you got your premium and your discount, and you're just looking to take advantage of a range, okay? Price ranges 80% of the time, but right now we are clearly trending, right? So to take advantage of a trend, you want to be on that trend. So you want to try to identify key lows and then take that trade up, okay? Because it's going to be more lucrative. However, you need to be aware of the pump and dump. The pump and dump, right? That is definitely going to wreck you if you're not being cautious, okay? So the trend is your friend until it ends, right? That's the thing. So shorting in a market like this is possible. It's just you got to be able to do it with key levels of support and resistance, and make sure that you are using good risk management. That's going to be critical for any sort of strategy in this. I'll be right back. I got to go get some coffee and talk to the wife. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys for being here. What's going on? Everyone's toilet breaks and people's be marrying people with kids. Plumber and stepdaughter. Upper class. '70s porn music. Let's go. Welcome to the Kraken wagon. Let's go. Party time. Let's go. Freestyle. I ain't Jason Casper. I don't got the freestyles, man. I don't know how he does it. He's an absolute legend. Shout out to Jason Casper. We got Bullish Divergence coming in here on Market Cipher, trying to push up. Jesus, take the wheel. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 260 people in here, 105 likes. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. We're trying to get to 5,000, man, this week. Can we get there? We got 4,957 subscribers. Incredible. We'll see if we do push up from here. We have mitigated the low down here, so let's be cautious this morning. You can see we were looking for this low to be taken. It has. Okay. We do have a little bit of a downtrend coming in here. Getting a little bit of a resistance. Okay, we'll see what goes on. We do have the German 1980s porno music playing in the background. Whatever you guys are into. The dish, Kenny. Good morning to every single one of you guys. Make sure you guys are saying good morning. That's all I ask, is for you to be kind and don't be a douche canoe. Boys are stinky. Are you manually marking all these key areas on your chart? Yes, I am. Always marking them out myself. I do use Chart Prime. Okay, for some liquidity zones and for some order blocks, right? However, I look at this, I look at price action, I look at volume, fixed range volume profile tool as well. Very, very critical to my analysis. Okay, allows me to get these key levels of support and resistance that you're seeing on my screen right here. A little push here, showing some strength. Money coming back in, 3 minute. Mitigating this low. This doesn't. Yeah, I don't. I can flip these on. Look at these. You know, there's order blocks in here. I prefer this area. There's a volume area within this range too. Okay. Got golden pocket area down here. With a big, this is a big order block within here. If you know how to mark out order blocks, yeah, there it is. Okay. So I like to isolate as much as I can, try to be more accurate. I mean, we marked out this pink level, got long off this pink level and closed it too early, but that's okay. Looking like we're getting a little push here. Breakout, retest, continuation trade on the table now as we speak. Okay, we're getting a little bit of strength coming in here. Volume picking up at these lows in here, suggesting a bit of strength. Okay. No trade yet this morning. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Subscribing if you are new. 290 people here, 111 likes. God bless every single one of you guys. Thank you for supporting the channel. Looks like we're getting a little push here from Bitcoin. Will it continue upwards? Looking for the potential long. Maybe we come and take the highs here. We've swept liquidity down below here. Okay, on a higher term time frame, what does this look like, right? We look at this here. We've swept the lows. Continuation here of an uptrend, trying to break this high in here, continuing upwards, okay? We do have a nice bullish trend since sweeping the lows and grabbing some liquidity. Will it continue, right? Trying to take these highs right now as we speak. No trade yet. No trade yet. Patience will prevail. We got VWAP coming in right down below us as well, around 100,800. We might want to think about... could be a potential short. I'm not sure if I'm keen on taking a short this morning. Nice push up here. Nice liquidity in here. Trading is waiting. Thank you everybody for being here, supporting the channel. You can turn down the German porno music for you guys if you want me to. Wick 589. Good to see you, man. Wick's wife Alex is gone. Now we can boogie. Let's go. Boogie boogie. Party time. Alex O Crypto. Like button activated. Let's go. Board PC guy. The world defined 10-4. Good to see you all in here. Tamale. Good to see you. Alexandra G. Let's see some gangs in the chat. Let's pump up the gangs. If we get to 5,000 subscribers, we will do a giveaway. We'll see if we do come down. Gains for life 10,800 looks juicy. I agree. We have just come for those highs right now as we're speaking. So a nice break coming in here, showing some strength, volume coming in. A little bit of an aggressive move this morning. I'm going to pump up the rest of the charts here. I'm going to pull up the NASDAQ so that we're prepared for this morning. NASDAQ got absolutely rugged. So we're looking for the NASDAQ to push. We're looking for the S&P to push. Okay, Bitcoin has pushed since coming down after Jerome Powell rugged everyone yesterday. Everybody full of tears. Okay, a big push up here, looking to come back down and retest. We could be potentially looking for the long right here. If we do get the retest back in, we'll see what we get. Looking to come back up into this red zone here. Got to be cheap with this trade if we are going to take it. We could go quarter position, but or half position. My concern is the 1 hour Jesus take the wheel. That is my concern right now. We're getting a little bit of a bounce though off of our VWAP here. You see the bounce last hour. We got a bounce. So this is promising. Jesus take the wheel on market cipher. Nice push up here, breaking the highs. Looking for that continuation trade here. No trade yet. Bitcoin running away from us again. Looking around 102.41. 102.41. Looking for this. We'll see if we get it. Coming back down. Grab this order block in here. Continuation upwards. We'll see. Thank you everybody for being here, being in the live with me. Subscribe if you are new. 290 people in here. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. If you do want to take your trading further, we have an amazing Discord. $1 a day. Holiday sale, $1 a day. Keeps the liquidations away. 4 amazing traders. Amazing TA Kyle. Head and shoulders target hit. Giving you guys the head and shoulders target yesterday. Membership. 8 group coaching calls. Signals by me, Brew, Kyle, Thesis. Support channels. Live chats. A small, tight-knit community built on givers gain, kindness, no douche canoes. Good morning, good morning, good morning to every single one of the Otter Gang family. A growing, amazing community. So proud of what we have created and continue to create. Looks like Bitcoin's running away, man. Sheesh. Trying to move here, Bitcoin. Trying to move. Like 121 is Dave Digital. Thank you, Dave, for being here, man. Good to see you, brother. Mad love to you, Dave Digital in the chat. We got the double D's. The double D's in the chat. RS Miller in the chat. Good morning to every single one of you guys. 200, 300 people here. God bless you guys. Break is fake. No bueno. No bueno. I should add to my long is the question. Got in at 99K, but Jay-Z's got 199 problems. And Diddy is one. Gang, 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 gang. Kraken, wagon, porn music. Let's go. B Team Crypto, what's going on, my brother? Good to see you, the Granite Grappler, man. Good to see you guys. Mad love to every single one of you guys. If you are new here, make sure you guys are saying good morning. I would really appreciate your good mornings. That always makes me pretty happy. Bob Gnarly says, lols, bro. Retest the previous highs. Coming in right now. Coming in right now. Blow off top. Grabbing some liquidity. Are we going to get long? Looking to get long here. Come on, Bitcoin. A little bit lower. A little bit slower, baby. Let's go. Looking at 102.30. 102.30. Will we get it? Coming down in here. 102.40. 102.30. Looking for the continuation trade here. Doesn't want to come lower. Zooming in. 1 minute time frames. 1 minute time frames. Degeneracy at its peak performance here. I'm kidding, man. I'm kidding. We're here to make money. Let's go. Retest, continuation, little rejection. This could be the last sweep, though. We need to be cautious here. Need to be cautious here. Thank you, everybody, for being here, subscribing. We're almost there. 5,000 subscribers. What do you do once you hit 5K? We're at 4,964. My God, incredible, incredible, incredible. Thank you, everybody, for sticking with me. It's always fun. I think they stay because we win here. At the end of the day, you got to have the proof in the pudding. We are, in the last months, we were 4 for 4, 4 for 5, 4 for 4, and now we are 2 for 3. Okay, we had a loss yesterday with the Jerome Powell. That's fine. We manage our risk. Some of you guys aren't managing your risk, which upsets me. I don't like doing this. I don't like saying when I'm entering and stuff when people aren't managing your risk, man. You should be risking 2% of your account per trade. That's it. That's it. If you have a $100,000 account, that means $2,000. Okay? A $10,000 account, that's $200. Okay? A $1,000 account, that's $20. Do it. Or never become a profitable trader. That's my opinion. That's my opinion. I can't manage your risk. You guys are adults. You guys are in charge of your future. If you don't manage your risk, you're gambling. That's my opinion. I teach in a bunch of channels. I teach in 3 other channels. And everybody's problem is that they're moving this damn thing too much. You like moving the stop loss. You like not putting the stop loss. You think you're right all the time. Learning how to be wrong 30% of the time, 40% of the time is what's going to make you a profitable trader. Not this part here. This part's easy. When you're winning, you're winning. Pay yourself, right? But if you're losing and you're not adjusting this properly and managing your risk, you're gonna pay the price. You're gonna pay the price. You're either gonna be break even. You're gonna be break even because you're winning a lot of trades, but you're having 1 or 2 trades that are absolutely decimating your account. You're winning. I know it because I've been there, okay? I know it because I've been there. You're having winning trade, winning trade, winning trade, winning trade. And if only I didn't take that big loss, I would be fine. If only I didn't take the big loss, I'd be fine. I'd be up big time. But I keep taking that big loss, which decimates my account. That's another problem a lot of people have. Is they're taking that one big loss that ruins them. Okay? Small wins, small losses. Big wins, small losses. This part never effing changes. Please. This is what has changed in my trading that made me profitable. The setups are great. The ideas are great. It's all there for you guys to take. I just get upset after yesterday, man. I get upset because I hate seeing people waste their fucking money. What's the target of this move? Asks Jeanette. So, Jeanette, we do have a sell wall in front of us right here around 102.9. Okay, so pushing on up here. Our major resistance is coming in all the way at 105,000. Okay, that would be liquidity of the highs before we dumped. We do have some resistance too coming in at this low in here. Okay, this is right at around 103,000. So if we are going to continue upwards here, I would like to see this and then that. But for now, right, we're trading what's in front of us. We'll see if we can break out. This is a big downtrend, right? So we do have a big trend line coming in here. So if we do break out of this, we can look for that breakout retest and continuation. Okay, but this has created a lot of liquidity in here, right? We haven't really swept any of this in here. So for me right now, a bit of waiting. People are waking up this morning and getting bullish, right? What do we know about right now? Okay. We know that people are sad because they got wrecked here. And we took a loss here and a win here, and then a win here and a win here. So we took one loss yesterday. Then we took a win, and a win, and we made $400 yesterday. Now, this was a $500 loss. This was a $600 win. So we're up $100, and then we took two little scalps within here. Okay, so this, though, everybody has woken up, and they see this, right? Man, I missed the long. We got to go up from here, right? I missed the long. We got to go up from here. And this stock can be right. Bull flag, continuation, take your stupid poll, put it up here. Okay. This could be right, but everybody's feeling a little bit of FOMO right now. Okay. A little bit of FOMO. We got a Jesus take the wheel pattern, which is a trigger wave to the downside on the hourly, which can roll over. It seems to have bounced, but we'll see. Okay. So we are looking to get long, but cautiously. Okay. Very cautiously. The 15-minute here is trying to push up. We have momentum, trigger wave to the upside, trying to push back. Money flow crossing to the green, trying to get up and over, right? Big resistance wall here in front of us, so big downtrend. So we'll see if we do get above that right now. Stalling out. I would expect down before up. I would expect this before this. For now. Just trying to stay level-headed. Not getting, you see the resistance coming in, tapping that there. See the downtrend here, mitigating this low in here. Our ideal buy area is down at 108, 100,800. I'm just going to start calling it 800. Just assume 100,000, okay? We got 300 people in here, 130 likes. Thank you guys for smashing that like button. I know it's not easy going back in your phone and pressing like. It's kind of stupid, isn't it? We're at 4,966 subscribers. Incredible. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. We're well on our way. We're almost at 5K, man. Darren Dosing says he's created a WAP for his indicators for free. If anyone wants the other gangs have access. Link is in the resources in the Discord. Thanks, Darren. So DDT has a channel and his indicators. Okay, I got to delete all these. Hey, Tony Soprano, because you're chatting in the resource section, do you mind going through and deleting everybody's comments and only keeping stuff like this in here? We're going to put you to work. The newest mod. We don't want chat in our resource section. We want resources. We don't want to go through here and just see chat. We want to see, what is VWAP? What is this? You guys having a conversation in here. I gotta kick all of you. Stop talking. Here, please. See? I mean, the sheriff is back in town again. I got to be the mean guy. Trying to keep a clean and organized Discord is impossible sometimes. That's why the sheriff needs to come through. You see the sheriff? Anyways, I'll deal with that later. You see, Discord never stops, man. I hate being... I am the captain now. All right. Looking like we're getting a little push here on this flag. Coming into market open, we have 10 minutes here. S&P down. NASDAQ trying to push up. We got a nice curving up into this. Okay, trying to push up here. I would expect lower before continuation upwards, okay? Tony Soprano, you're the best, man. Thank you for sharing that, Darren. Yeah, we thank you for sharing that. Mad love to every single one of you guys. 5,000 is kind of a big deal, Alex. I would say, man. I would say. I end up risking like 0.2% of my manual trades. Awesome, man. You got a bot going for you too. That's awesome, man. Pure Blood, what's going on, man? Threw everything onto my H-bar pile last night. Let's go. Hamza, good morning. From Nigeria, good morning. Corey Miller, good morning. Gang, gang, gang. Kevin Knight, good morning to you. Thank you guys for being here, saying good morning. Much love to every single one of you guys for being in here. Thank you for supporting the channel. Darren, thank you for sharing your indicators in the resource section, my man. Thank you, guys. Let's see some gangs in the chat. We're here Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m., live trading the market using Market Cipher. We are sponsored by Market Cipher, an amazing indicator, sponsored by CryptoFace himself. God bless you, Face. Thank you for believing in us. Hopefully we can continue creating some liquidity in here. I would expect a little return back down before we go up. Okay, everybody getting a little bit too bullish this morning. Even if it does go, that's fine. We can look for a retest, okay? We're not trying to buy the top right now. No safe place to manage risk in here. No safe place, in my opinion, right? You can get long in here, and you can put your stop loss below here. But to me, that's not like my ideal setup. Okay, you could do this. It could work too. That's the funny thing. It could work. Okay, I'm looking more for something like this. We'll see if we get it. We'll see if we get it. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Join the Discord. We have a free section and a paid section. $1 a day keeps the doctor away. $30 a month. Okay, amazing group of people. Kindness, man. Watch the videos. You get all of this and more. You get to put up with me trying to help you all the time. You guys over here chatting it up. Delete your comments now. Oh, man. So breakout, retest, continuation. We also have momentum coming up this way. So we have a couple of options here for this long. We'll see how price reacts. We do have 7 minutes until market opens, and hopefully we can take advantage of price action. I thank you, everybody, for being here and subscribing to the channel and supporting the channel. We're almost at 5K. Who's going to be subscriber 5,000? That's the question. 4,970. Bro, do you trade memes? Of course, we trade everything, man. I mean, we've had some amazing calls on some meme coins. We took a Brett trade, a Pepe trade. We do all the shenanigans. We do trade them with good risk management, though. So that is the key. We did take a Pepe trade, inverse head and shoulders. That was a great trade. We took a Pepe trade here, coming back down, retesting in here. We also took a turbo trade from the lows down in here as well. We took from here. That was a great trade. We also took a Brett trade from the breakout of this flag all the way up from here to here. Okay, so we trade everything as long as it all fits into our strategy. Okay, so we do like trading everything and everything. Okay, depending on the setups, you get all those ideas and setups here from the altcoin trade setups. amazing trades throughout. You know, we're more profitable than we are negative. It's turbo time. Turbo hitting all-time highs on that link trade, link printing. I mean, amazing trade setups throughout. You also have Kyle giving trade setups, amazing trade setups. Brewberry with the amazing TA, smart money concepts, doing live streams for you every single day as well. $1 a day. If you can't make $30 in a month with us, we have failed. Doesn't matter what your account size is. Amazing trade setups constantly. You got 4 traders here with a plethora of knowledge, just helping you guys get profitable, get into the game, and hopefully helping you guys learn a lot so you can, learn how to fish for your damn self, right? We want to give you the areas, the ideas, and let you guys manage your risk and make the trades accordingly. That's what it's all about, right? We want to enable you to become a profitable trader and make you stay with us because we're good people and we care about you winning as well. So come over and join us in the Discord. We'd love to have you. Also, subscribe if you're new. Thank you for being here. We got 304 people in here constantly watching, man. That's pretty incredible. I'm used to streaming to just my mom, my grandma, my dog, and Sniper's Nightmare. Sometimes Tony Soprano when he can put up with me. But thank you, everybody, for being here. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Make sure you're always saying good morning. Otter gang, gang, gang. Good to see everybody in here. Thank you for being here. Good to see you guys. Bob Gnarly, Tony Soprano, done deleting. It's a pain in the ass, isn't it, Tony? Going through, and I swear I spend 5 minutes of sometimes just deleting full conversations. Like my chat with Alex sessions. Like even Mark Dutch says, let's go to the family chat because it's just like you guys just start having full conversations in my section or a full conversation in the resource section. Look at that, nice and clean now. This stuff here, like, right? We want to keep it as clean as possible. Thank you for doing that, Tony. I appreciate you. Best mods in the world. Day one, people, man. Okay, stalling out here. What is this doing, everybody? I'm asking the chat. What are we doing right here? We're bull flagging, but in my opinion, we're trapping longs. The market maker, in my opinion, right now is building up a short. That's my idea. What is your thought in this area here? We got a bull pennant, okay? You got a beautiful stick. We can put the stick on the pennant, trade it to the moon, okay? Could break. If we break, we could get a breakout retest, okay? Massive trend line, downtrend here. We can see this trend line. Look at it. It's a big trend line, okay? It's not a little ditty trend line. This is a big trend line. To break this, we're going to need some oomph. You know what I mean? Some oomph. So for me, gearing up, coming down, and then going, much better idea. Major resistance, right? We have momentum coming up here. We have the downtrend that has been broken and hasn't been retested. Okay, so downtrend in here has not been retested. We have momentum continuation here. You could take this. But I would suggest stop loss under here. If you're going to take this, you got to be safe. Looking like a little push here coming into market open. 9:28. We got a minute till market opens here. This could be a sweep of the highs, bearish divergence in here. I'm not taking the short, just so that we're clear. And continuation down, bearish divergence. I'd be careful here. Be very careful. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 310 people here, 150 likes. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. We are 30 subscribers away from 5,000. Can we get there? Probably not today. Probably on a Friday, which always is nice. Maybe we get there tomorrow. But if you are new here, we're live Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. trading market open, okay? Top-down analysis, always prepared, giving you guys the charts, giving you guys the levels, ready to go all the time, firing off trades constantly. Pretty successful in my opinion. You know, 2 losses this month live, so 2 losses live. And like over 20 wins, so I'd say that's a pretty good ratio. I don't know what you guys like for ratios. Maybe you like 100% ratios. But I try my best to be patient here, to teach the newcomer price action, to help you guys understand what my thought pattern is, right? Market's open here. S&P gapping up, pushing upwards here. NASDAQ trying to continue here. S&P big gap to the upside, okay? Typically when you gap up, you can look for a retracement to fill it back in. But we do have a very bearish day yesterday pushing price down. So natural for the NASDAQ to pop as well. Bitcoin chopping in here, grabbing a lot of liquidity. We do have a big push back up. So the S&P has dumped just alongside as Bitcoin and now has gapped up. And will we get that follow through here? But there's a lot of liquidity residing below on Bitcoin for a price to come and take. Doesn't mean that it's going to necessarily do that. We could just pop from here. So let's be prepared. Price is pushing up right now. We had a sweep down below. It could have got long here. No trade yet. Okay. Looking like we got some strength here on Bitcoin coming in. Okay, breakout. Coming back down. No. No coming back down. Retest now. Looking for the retest of this area in here. And we get that retest. Looking for the retest. Gonna try and get long here. Okay, getting long. Getting long. Continuation, push. Push Bitcoin. Getting long here. Let's go, Bitcoin. Getting long here. Oh, take profit 1 hit. Take profit 1 hit. Stop loss break even. Happened really quick, guys. Break even, stop loss here. Stop loss to break even. We'll continue to push. Coming up, sweeping the highs in here. Nice push out. Breaking out of this. Breakout trade, right? Breakout trade. We're in it. We'll see if we can continue. Sweeping the highs into the golden pocket. Rejection coming back down to wreck us. We've already taken some profits. Okay, coming back down. Stopped out at entry. Back in again. I don't know if you guys have re-entered. Okay. A quick $80. That's fine with me. I'll take that. We'll see if we do follow through here. Breakout, retest again. Okay, nothing yet. Taking one trade, quick little scalp. This does look like it wants to follow through. We'll see if we get it. Very choppy right now. Volume coming in, the S&P pushing up quite aggressively. We have the NASDAQ flat, okay? The NASDAQ's pretty flat. Let's go in the 5-minute here. Bitcoin pushing back quite aggressively. To those who are still in the long, I'm out. I would be taking some profit coming into this red zone here. We have resistance at 103. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. God bless you. Possibly should have stayed in this. That's fine. That's fine. Right at market open. Between here And 945 is definitely the danger zone. Let's call it the danger zone, okay? Be careful with this area in here. This is where people get wrecked, okay? People are chasing price right now. If you're long, congratulations. Make sure you guys are paying yourselves if you're scalping, okay? Coming back down. Patience here. I thought we were waiting for a bigger pullback. We are waiting for that bigger pullback. Doesn't mean we can't scalp price action as it's coming. I'm getting a push up here, continuation. Bitcoin looking strong right now. S&P looking strong as well. However, big gap down below, okay? The NASDAQ's looking kind of weak right now. The dollar went crazy yesterday, okay? The dollar went crazy yesterday. Bart Simpson maybe come back down. That would be bullish. Stalling out here, trying to push up. I would expect a retest again. Okay, it's broken these highs over to the left here. If we zoom in here on price action. 15-minute here. You can see we've broken these highs here. Now we're coming back down. This is a key trend line, though. Breaking under this trend line. That's why I wanted to take the long. Coming back down to the retest in here. We'll see if we do continue. Looking for a long again. Looking for a long lower, though. We're looking lower. This is a bearish divergence here coming at us. No trade. No trade. I'm exiting. I'm exiting my limit order here. This is a bearish divergence. Patience. Coming into our golden pocket resistance area. Like we said. Bear div right now. This is where you short. Typically where you short. For me, I would want to see confirmation. No trade here. Okay, bear div right here. Very clear as day bearish divergence. Okay, if you are in the trade, be cautious. Okay, you always got to zoom out. It's the lesson we learned yesterday, right? Very clear as day, head and shoulders on the 1 hour time frame yesterday. We can see it now that we got wrecked by it, right? Okay, we can see it now. So make sure you're always zooming out. Bigger picture into smaller picture, right? So sweeping the highs right now into the golden pocket retracement level. Lots of liquidity below us, okay? Cautious, right? Retesting that breakout level. But to me, this is a warning sign for a bearish divergence. It could hold here and push. I'm not saying it can't, but for me, doesn't make sense to trade right now. It's too dangerous, especially with all the liquidity below us, okay? Retesting highs. Retesting highs. Okay. Still trying to hold here. Still trying to hold. Now, this is weak. This is weak. You can see this rolling over right now. Rolling over, coming down, wrecking all the bulls from this morning. Coming into this support level in here. Trying to hold that. This was a fake out to the upside, in my opinion. Look at this. Very ugly. VWAP coming down. Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live with me. 320 people. We celebrate when we don't get long and get wrecked as well. We celebrate good risk management most of the time. That is the key here, is that we want to be patient, set the trade up, wait for the confirmations to get into the trade. Patience, patience, patience. Trading is waiting, baby. So let's be patient. I'm going to get you guys all t-shirts that say trading is waiting, because that's the way. Bearish engulfing candle here, sweep of the highs, golden pocket, key sell wall, right? There's no reason to continue to try and trade this as we roll over here. Roll over coming in here. We have a guaranteed high now that we've mitigated the low. Support level here coming in. Could be looking for the long down in here. Back up. Okay, we'll see if we get it. Golden pocket in here as well. Easier risk management. quarter trade here. Right at 101. 102,000. We'll see if we do get it. Golden pocket down here as well. Looking for this thing. We'll see if it does come lower. Thank you, everybody, for being here in the live. 330 people here. Subscribe if you are new. Would love to have you come and hang out with us. We got 4,970 subscribers, I believe. So would love for you guys to come in and hang out. There is an order block a little bit lower in here. Looking down a little bit lower. You can see the high order block just below there. We'll see if we do hit that order block right in here. 950. Looking at 950. We'll see if we get it. Looking for 950. We do have that continuation trend line coming in here. Trying to hold that right now. Getting a little cluttered here, so let's be cautious with analysis paralysis. Okay, don't want to be looking at 950 still. Coming down. 950, easy risk management. Coming down here. Looking to get in here. Looking to get in here. Okay, entering. We'll see if we bounce. Looking for a bounce from here. Stop loss just below this low here. Okay, nice bounce. A nice little bounce. Can it continue up? Nice little bounce. Push. Push Bitcoin. Push Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Push a little bit more. You can do it. I believe in you. Come on, Bitcoin. You're just grabbing all this liquidity from this morning. Push, Biddy. Push. No, that's the wrong way, bro. That's the wrong way. Push, Bitcoin. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Subscribe if you are new. What are we at now? What are the subscribers at? 4,974 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. My God, that's incredible. Well, we get the bounce here. Protection below the lows here. Fighting. It's fighting. It's not looking too good yet. Okay, we do have a trigger wave coming in here on Market Cipher. But remember, we are looking lower. So no real, a nice little bounce here, retesting the lows. But no follow through, okay? No follow through just yet. Retesting the lows here. Sheesh. Okay. Dump it on us. Dump it on us. Trying to bounce. We'll see if we do get the bounce. Remember risk management. Okay, I'm not here to manage your risk. Looks like it's rolling over here, coming back down for this low in here. Mitigation of this low in here. Stop loss is at 101.532. We'll see if it holds. We'll see if it holds. Could be, was right with the initial bounce. Could have taken this off for like $100. Wanted to hold it a little bit longer. S&P indecisive right now. Dixie pushing up. Interesting. Bitcoin rolling over. NASDAQ pushing, surprisingly enough. Okay, NASDAQ pushing. Bitcoin rolling over here quite aggressively. We'll see if it does bounce. If not, take a little bit of an L. That's fine with me. Coming down, sweeping the lows. Still in this. Still in this. Not looking good, though. Not looking good. No bounce, okay? Knocked out of that one. Into our next area, looking for that area. We'll see if we get it. Coming back down into VWAP. We'll see if we get it. 101. 101, basically. We're looking at 101. Can we get 101? Coming into our area down below here. Oof. Sweep of the lows. Big sweep. Big aggressive sweep. Did anybody short up here? That would have been the trade, man. Holy smokes. Coming down, wrecking all the bulls this morning. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Supporting the channel. God bless you guys. Looking for another one down here. We'll see if we get it. The trade setup from this morning. Looking lower. As usual. Looking lower. Big rollover for Bitcoin. Creating that liquidity right on the way up here. Just like we talked about. Okay, looking for the bounce continuation. And here's an okay trade. But we didn't get it, right? We didn't get it. Coming back into this area here. Looking for if we're going to get a bounce or not. We'll see. We'll see. But understanding that, hey, we swept the highs in here. We tried to get the breakout trade here. The breakout retest continuation. That didn't go. We got the bearish divergence coming in here. Pushing price down. Okay. Easy to understand. Okay. Remember what we said about taking shorts. We're not necessarily looking for the short. We're looking for the continuation trade. This looks aggressive right now. Lots of liquidity in here. The significant low would be here, in my opinion. Okay, this is a significant low at 100,580. Okay. If this, then that, right? If this, then that. Always trying to speculate of where we're going, what we're looking for. I shorted the golden pocket. Short positions open yet. No shorts yet. Let's go. VWAP should hold. We'll see if VWAP does hold. Coming down into this area around 101. 101 is the area we are looking for. We'll see if we do get the bounce here. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. God bless you guys. Just trying to help. Always trying to help, man. Givers gain. We got 4,974 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for being in here. Subscribing if you are new. My God, what a bunch of crazy price action lately. Let's see if we do get that push back down into here. You're the man, Alex. Thank you so much, French Toaster. I'm sick, delirious. I counter traded Alex and Lifer's Call, whatever. Here's that push, looking for the bounce off of VWAP. We'll see if we get it. Looking to get long. Thank you, everybody, for being here. My internet just shit. What the fuck? Why did the internet just go? Whoa, 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 whoa. Are you serious? Internet just went down. What the hell? Same here. Internet went down.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto.